In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your email campaigns in Klaviyo by adding a recipient's first name to the subject line. Begin by creating a new email campaign and proceeding to the step where you enter the subject line. If you want the subject line to include the recipient's first name, you will need to use a special personalization variable. Type in the variable exactly as shown in the video, or copy it from the description. This variable works by inserting the recipient's first name directly into the subject line when the email is sent. If the recipient's first name is not stored in your Klaviyo list and only their email address is available, the variable will display a default text instead. You can customize this default text to say anything you prefer. After entering the subject line with the personalization variable, click Next in the top right-hand corner. Then select Schedule or Send. You can either schedule a date for the email to be sent or send it immediately. When recipients receive the email, those who have their first name stored in your list will see it in the subject line, while those without will see the default text. This is how you can easily add a personalized first name to your subject line in Klaviyo.